Have you seen when Instagrammers talk about something in the background? So they have a video playing or a photo in the background and then they're talking in front of it? Well, doing that effect has gotten easier than ever. And today I'm going to show you how to use the green screen effect with Instagram Reels. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. Finding your green screen effect is gotten so much easier. So you can see when you go into Instagram Reels, it's right here, the third one down. So it's like a face with the rectangle around it. If you don't see this quite yet, that just means that Instagram hasn't updated your account. So all accounts get features at different times and you're just gonna have to wait. Sorry, but that's how it works. So to access it, you're just gonna click on that and you can see here, it's already green screen me so you can't see anything behind me. And then it's added a background. I can change this background by pressing change background. And then I can select one of the scenes that it has created for me. So I can select any of these scenes. And then I can also go to camera roll. So camera roll is going to allow me to add photos or videos from my camera roll that I can talk about. So say I want to add this one, which is just me doing white balance before we started recording. So you can show where you want the clip to start. You can use these indicators at the bottom to change it. So say for example, I want it to start as I'm walking in. So I'm just going to clip it there and press add. So it didn't quite register. You can see when you look at the background, it's still the other background. So this is something that does come up. You might just have to press it again and then indicate it to where you want it to start. Perfect. Add. There. It worked. We'll scroll this down. So there I am. I can pinch, zoom in. I should be able to zoom out as well. If you can't zoom out, however, you're going to have to exit the app and then just open the app again and start it. So let's change that background. So as you can see, there still has some bugs in it. Usually the first time it doesn't really process. I've been having to do this the second time each time I do it. There it is. Okay, so now let's see if I can pinch. There we go. So I can get smaller or bigger. So say for example, I want to be here so that I'm smaller and I could talk about it. So now to record yourself with that background going on, you could just hold down the record button. Or if you don't want to have to hold down the button the entire time you're recording, I suggest you use the timer. Press the timer button and then set your timer. You can change your countdown, so it could be from 10 seconds to 3 seconds. I prefer 3 seconds. You know that the timer's on when there's a white circle around that timer. So now to activate it, I'm just going to press that button. It's going to count me in. So before you start filming, the most critical thing is 2 videos. You can see it's just going to keep looping that video over and over until you press stop. And so now that I stopped, I have my clips done. I can go next. I can still edit this, so I can still go in and edit my clips. Let's make this a little smaller. And then let's play this. So then I was done talking about then, so I can use this yellow indicator line to just trim the end. There we go. And then you can just move back and press the play button to make sure it works. Perfect. So now I could share my clip like this, but if you're recording it in Instagram, there's a couple things that I suggest you do. And to do that, you're gonna have to either click on the video up top or this arrow going down. I'm gonna click on the arrow going down, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna give me the menu up top. Now I'm going to click on the music note and I'm going to start by enhancing. So I'm going to enhance my voice. What this is going to do is it's going to remove any background and it's going to raise my mic so that it sounds more professional, so that when I'm putting my reel on Instagram, the audio is just as loud as other reels. Instead, oftentimes if you just record yourself without a mic, the audio is going to be a little bit lower, so this is going to equalize it for you. So I'm done. And then you can also add a song. I suggest you add a song that is trending. And to know that a song is trending, you'll see this arrow pointing up. That means it's a popular song at the moment. You can press the play button to preview it. There we go. So now all you're gonna hear is the song. I'm gonna go back into that audio and I'm gonna press Controls one more time. And I'm going to lower the music and raise up my camera audio. I did say so at the beginning of this, so I'm just gonna edit this and I'm gonna cut that out. And then I can go to the next button. And then this is where I'm going to edit my cover, add my caption, or if I want to, I can go to my advanced settings and I can schedule for the reel so that it posts in the future. A couple more of the features you'll have in the green screen effect is this one, which is going to allow you to be in the corner. So you can see it doesn't get rid of the background, but it allows you to push yourself into a frame and you can choose what type of frame. This one, which is going to zoom in on a certain part, or it's going to shake the camera, or it's going to like slowly zoom in, or it's going to quickly zoom in. So those are just different zoom in effects. This allows you to add a media folder. So say, for example, I add this video again, and then so as I'm recording, I can record and then I'm going to move and it's going to show that background, and then I'm going to move and it's going to get rid of that background. And then this one is going to allow me to transition by just tilting my head, and it's going to do this transition effect. This one's pretty cool because what it does is it blurs everything in the background, and you can change how intensely it blurs it. So you can see if I use it this way, you can't really see my background, and as I decrease the blur, it's still a little visible, but it's still blurry. And then this is just going to keep going to different filters. So you can explore and have fun with different filters. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time.